This is one Gridfinity bin, and this is over 30 Gridfinity parts. My drawer is a mess, with random parts from projects I haven't touched in months, many random USB sticks, of which the contents will most likely never see the light of day again, and even screws that I bought off Amazon and only used once. Where is that pen? There are a few things that I want in the drawer. I want it to have ease of use to quickly access items.
Designed to finish more projects.
I want it to be a fully modular solution.
Ultimate modular storage system.
And I want it to be very organized.
It's free, it's open source, it's almost 100% 3D printed.
After lots of intense research, I chose the 3D printed Gridfinity. Gridfinity is a simple concept, featuring base plates and bins. The base plates are a grid of 42 by 42mm squares, where the bins fit in. You can place base plates next to each other and use bins of various sizes. These bins can also stack, allowing you to maximize your drawer space while staying highly organized.